Hello kid, welcome back. A for apple. Apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for cherry. Cherry. D for doll. D for doll. E for egg. E for egg. F for flower. Flower. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for juice. Juice. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for mango. Mango. N for nurse. Nurse. O for ostrich. Ostrich. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for quail. Quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for snake. Snake. T for tiger. Tiger. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for violin. Violin. W for watch. Watch. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yarn. Yarn. And Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Small letter. Alphabet. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. C for car. Car. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for house. House. I for ice cream. J for juice. Juice. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lemon. Lemon. M for moon. Moon. N for nose. Nose. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. Rose. S for snail. Snail. T for turtle. Turtle. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for watch. Watch. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.